wanna be a millionaire. Thank Mr. Sun. I want to be happy, don't you want to be happy? I want to be healthy, don't you want to be healthy? I want to be a millionaire, don't you want to be a millionaire? Okay, I spent $500 to hire my father-in-law and his friend to build this beautiful bamboo house for me. So remember to watch this video from the beginning until the end. Let's get started. I want to be happy, don't you want to be happy?